Moving higher than you.
COVID, but we are here today to celebrate a life. So are itumeleng ka ba bantsi ba ya fela diphitlhong rona re kopane fana go tla go celebrate le motho o phelang.
Gore ke fitlhele mo ke leng mo teng, it's because of you. You never gave up on me, and I know gore every day, every night, you pray for me gore like go batla go bona ke tsweletse mo bophelong. I know Bitumelo, I know Lelo le Papa, they do that, but I know gore wena you like mohon.
You're one person. You fight fiercely for those you love and hold dear to your heart.
Wena khona ga lo ba ha ra tsoga o ba commons but ra pe re le ba ka dithapelo le rona ka re le yane ha le khuba maka le tsoga go sei ba yang batsadi ba lona ka dithapelo lo ke gore ke le blela lo.
Personally for me, obviously as my mother, there's so much more I would want to do for you, but I hope that every little thing that I do shows you how much you mean to me. I know I'm not good at expressing myself and whatnot. Why amen you? Why amen? Yes, I don't know how to express myself. Yes, I don't know how to be emotional and whatnot, but I hope that in small moments like these and every other little thing, I'm communicating my love to you, my love for you, and how much I value you and appreciate you. And yeah, thank you for everything.
Everything that you do for me. Anyway. But everything that you do for me, I appreciate with all my heart. I may not say it probably like or maybe at the right time, but just know at the bottom of my heart there is a lot of appreciation. And I wish you could have kids that would do the same for you. You're a very special child.
Happy birthday. And thank you so much for loving us.
From now until eternity, until when
you've been chosen over and over. Modimo a go bontsha ka ngwana gago gore ke go bidise ka lebitso.
Yeah, and I have the confidence to say I'm a queen. I'm not afraid to say it, you know, because I was taught to believe that I am, and I was led by example.
I am a queen.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're killing me.